Today this is an air freshener making video. I can't get the process of making it, but this is like something to do when you're bored in quarantine, unless you have plants. This is gonna be kind of short, so you guys may be annoyed, but so step one, need a glass. Glass is better, not plastic, because you can see the thingy. You need flowers, which are actually it's pretty good.
Where did you get the flowers from?
I got them from my garden, right there. Oh gosh. Now I'm not mostly in this because I'm outside. So I'm outside the garden here, so I'm not gonna like physically touch. But this is like, so you need flowers, any color of your choice, basically. Water. Mix it and basically like keep on doing this, and you can take the flowers out, see how it's processing, and also you can make dye, which I actually tried doing over there. I was rubbing it, like I was getting these little pieces actually, and they're actually adding some vibrant color. Anyways, so I was getting these little pieces and I was rubbing them. I think you should do this on tissue paper. I was rubbing them to see if you get any like colour. Oh, you can't see that, but there's colour. Put it back in there. Oh, okay. Now it's split into half. Okay. And I'm outside of my garden, so here's a little tour of my outside.